Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the wireless communication. In that wireless communication, the mobile communication, the dropped call rates. So dropped call rate plays a major role because while speaking the mobile phone, the call drop should not be take place because the connectivity is very important. While traveling, we are moving from one place to another place. While in the call means that call must be in connective mode, not in disconnecting mode. So if disconnected, it comes under the call drop. Okay. So and then we are going to discuss about the and their evolution of the call drop rate. Okay. So this also is a part of like a roaming. So it's the importance of roaming and the call drop rate and all. It's a major role in the mobile communication. So this here, that is a dropped call rate is the fraction of telephonic calls which due to the technical reasons where they cut off before the speaking parties had finished their conversational tone before one of them hang up. That is a drop call. Okay, the particular user should be finish the call to cut the call. Then only that call is the proper call rate. Otherwise, it is a drop call. Automatically, it will cut down. Mean it is a dropped call rates comes under the dropped call. The first fraction of usually the method of percentage of all the calls. So how much calls they are made and then how much call is successful rate and then successfully completed. This comes under the percentage. It's a percentage and efficiency of the network. And then the dropped call rates and their evolution mainly in many practical cases we need the further expanded with the number of detailed specification describing which is called exactly and counted as a drop. Okay, what with the stages of all the call setup procedures counted in the connected medium in modern telecommunication system, so like a cellular networks and other setup, it must be in point to point communication. It should be considered as a very successful connected one. That is a established connection one, dedicated connection one. This comes under the way of successful call rate. Like a landline, the call drop rate is very minimum, around 0.01% because it is dedicated line, dedicated wired connection. So it is a percentage of drop is very minimum. In case of the mobile communication, it's a wireless communication. The possibility and the probability is somewhat high comparably in landline because it is wireless communication. Due to some technical errors, it may be happen. So around maybe in landline maybe 0.1. It may be in other wireless, it may be high, comparably high. In mobile communication system, it is around 0.1 percentage in commercial one. In landline, it may be 0.01. So it is 100 percentage. It will be very valid one because it is wired and wire medium. So why the call drop is occurred in the sense it may be uplink or downlink. Well, because we handset to the cell side, it's uplink, and then cell side to handset is a downlink, like it's a radio frequency ranges. So that time the call drop is possible because we move from one place to another. By more mobility time, it will be possible of call rate. So you can see this diagram, you can definitely understand. We have the hand up concept. So we have the base stations, that is a cell size of 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and all is there. So we move, the subscriber is moved from 1 to that is a cell 1 to cell 2. So automatically the proper handover will be take place. Then only the call drop is avoided here. Otherwise the call drop is there, so automatically disconnected. So the customer is not satisfied, so automatically call drop is possible. But the proper handover is there means handoff is there means definitely the call drop rate also minimized here. So the performance indicator call rate, the performance indicator I already told the number of calls, connected calls, and then the ratio of number of connected calls to uh, the number of successful called. So this is the main ratio of the dropped call rate, how to calculate the performance efficient and all. So in mobile networks, we have the improving radio coverage because it is RF frequency ranges we are using. So we have to improve the radio coverage areas to expanding the capacity of the network. It's the very important one because the capacity of the network only the performance of the connectivity will be increasing, and also it must be optimizing. So we give the optimized performance and the network capacity, it will automatically the call rate will be reduced here. So it will be comes under the network operator, because we have a number of network operators available like a BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone. So we have, it will improve their network quality and the performance and then capacity of the network. So automatically the call drop rate is minimized here, because its LAN rate is 0.01, it is a wireless, it is a 0.1% rate. So we can reduce it up to 0.01, means somewhat it is a better one. And then dropped call defines established call will leaves the system before normally terminated, what I already discussed. So before the users will be terminated, the call will be automatically dropped, comes under the call drop rate. So mainly the call drop rate represent the percentage of all established calls is dropped during the specified time period, and then the DCR and the voice quality are inversely proportional to the high DCR may indicate the coverage, handoff or channel accessibility problems. These are the main important things in the call drops. These are all the formula for the dropped call rate, how to calculate the call rate, dropped call rate. This is a handoff, how will the assessed in the handoff. So this is the assessment. So which modulation technique used in the GSM technology, and there is one of the which one of the disadvantage in the 2G standard, that's a second generation of the mobile communication. Thank you.